So hopefully you try doing that activity, uh, and it's actually not very difficult once you understand sort of how variables are assigned values. Okay, how values are assigned to variables, and how expressions work in Python. So as I said, we have three variables. Okay, cup1, cup2, and cup3. They have some initial value which is 0, 1, 0 respectively. And the way assignment works is you have a variable at the left hand side of the equal to sign, right? And you have an expression, or even a literal like in this case, or just a variable like this case, on the right hand side of the equal to, right? Now the expression to the right is evaluated first, right? Is evaluated first. And then that value is stored in the variable to the left of the equal to, right? So let me clear the screen again. So all we have to do is we have to evaluate these values and then update the values accordingly. Okay. So initially, let me, you know what? Uh, let me separate this part out. Okay. So that these are the things. It's like a trace. Okay. So it's like a trace. So we will update these values from time to time depending on whether or not they change or not. Okay. So let's start with the first statement, which is actually the fourth statement. But anyways, so cup1 equals cup1 plus 1. Okay. So how do we evaluate these? We first evaluate the right hand side of this statement, right? So cup1 is, you just replace the value of this with the, replace the variable with its value, right? So cup1 was 0. We replace this by 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. Cup1 equals to 1. So the value of cup1 has now changed. It's now 1. Next, cup2 equals cup1 minus 1. Again, replace the value of cup1, replace the cup1 by its value. So value of cup1 is 1. Replace this by 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Cup2 now has 0. Cup3 equals cup1. Cup1 is 1, right? Cup1 is 1. So this is 1. Cup3 is also 1. Cup1 equals cup1 times 0. Whatever it is, you know that cup1 is 0, right? Because it doesn't matter what cup1 has, it has to be now 0. So get rid of this, 0. Cup2 equals cup3. What is cup3? Cup3 is 1, right? Cup3 is 1, so this is 1. Oops, sorry, cup2. This is 1, this is still 1. I'm sorry about that. Let me use a different color. So this is 1. Cup2 is also 1. Okay. Cup3 equals cup1. Cup1 is 0, so cup3 is 0 as well. So cup3 is 0. Okay. Cup1 equals cup2 modulo 1. Okay. So anything modulo 1, what is it? What is something modulo 1? When you divide a number by 1, what remainder do you get? Any number is perfectly divisible by 1, right? So the remainder is always 0, no matter what cup2 has. Okay. It would have, the result would be 0. So cup1 would now have 0. Cup3 equals cup2. Okay, cup2 is 1, so replace this by 1. Cup3 is now 1 as well. Cup2 equals cup3 minus cup3. Whatever it is, it must be 0, obviously, right? This must be 0, right? You subtract something by itself, it becomes 0. So cup2 is 0. So by the end of this, as you can see, cup3 has 1. Okay, cup1 and 2 both have 0. So the result of this code, or the result of this question, the answer to this question is cup3. That's the variable which stores the value 1 by the end of this program.